Namaskar, welcome to this lesson of Learn Bharatanatyam. In this lesson, we are going to learn Swalla Jathi Part 5. So if you haven't learnt up till Part 4, I will link the playlist over here. In that playlist, you will see all the steps on the music as well, performed by Talaank Dance Company's dancers. We are going to just do Latakya, okay? So you finished it over here, okay? Dhit tay, right hand up with right foot and Hausasya, left hand up with left leg, place it down. Both the palms are facing up. So the whole thing will look like seem ta 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 ta, like that. So the end part of it is Tihai. So this Tihai goes like this. Takata digirnatum, takata digirnatum, takata digirnatum, takata digirnatum. 4 times takata digirnatum. Then tai de de tai dhitta. Tadigirnatum dhitta. Takata digirnatum dhitta. Takati kuta digirnatum ta. Now let's do hands and legs on this Tihai. So I'm going to keep my left Kataka Mukha above my head, right nearby my chest, and sit in Aramati position. So I'm going to travel towards my right. So basically ended up over here. From here, what you are going to do is Takka Tadi Girna Tom, Takka Tadi Girna Tom, Takka Tadi Girna Tom, Takka Tadi Girna Tom. From here, it is Tadi Girna Tom. For Tadi Girna Tom, we are going to take the hand down and turn back. Kataka Mukha like this. Which makes Tadi Girna Tom. It's little tricky because you start with Aramati position and then end up in Samapada position. Tadi Girna Tom. Okay? So it's like a turn. From here, Tadi Girna Tom. Now jump. Dhitta. Jump high. So jump video, if you have not learned that, I will link it over here as well as in the description box below. So I'm going to take my both hands above my head like this. Dhitta. Now left legs I'm going to diagonal takka tadi girna tom. Alright. So the girna tom is straight, but takka tadi girna tom. I'm facing here. Now my right hand goes diagonal like that, and left hand goes straight. Girna tom. Alright? So that remember it's opposite hands. From here, Takka Tadi Girna Tom, Dhitta. Dhitta. So jump and then place the foot up. Okay? Dhitta. Then Takka Diku Tadi Girna Tom. For that, what we are going to do is the picked up leg, which is right. I'm going to place it to the right, facing the front, then left, then right, and then take a turn, right? So this will look like this. I'm here. Tai, 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 girna tom. Instead of girna tom, we are going to take a circle. Now, hands, we are here, correct? From here, we are going to Kataka Mukha nearby chest, right up, left down, right up, left hand goes Kapitha, right hand goes Latakya, cross. So we are here, Takka, Diku, Tati, and for Ginatom, we are going to take a circle. And here, your Tihai ends.
So let's see how can we do it together. Takkatadigirnatom, 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 tadigirnatom, dhitta, takkatadigirnatom, dhitta, takkatikutadigirnatom, ta. It looks little intense and difficult, but keep practicing step by step and part by part. You will get it. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep dancing.